Today, we're going to show you just how simple it is to replace the fridge door seal on your fridge or freezer. Start by removing the old seal. Begin at the top corner, give it a firm pull, and you'll see it start to release from the channel. Once that first corner is free, the rest will pop out smoothly. Now grab the new seal we've sent you. On the back, there's a dart that clips perfectly into the channel. Line it up, and with a bit of pressure from your thumb, press it straight into place. It really is that easy to do yourself. Once you've fitted the seal all the way around, close the door. If you notice any gaps after closing, use a hairdryer to gently warm the seal. Close the door again and let it cool down. This will help the seal settle perfectly. We have other videos with tips on fixing small gaps and getting the best fit. But in most cases, it's just about pulling off the old seal and pressing the new one right into place. Super simple. For a high-quality replacement fridge or freezer seal, visit www.fridgeseal.com and keep your appliance running like new.